Home Remedies presents Look 5 years younger with this purifying face mask recipe. Flaxseed mask helps remove wrinkles. It improves the collagen count of the skin, which in turn increases elasticity, keeping fine lines at bay. Flax seeds act as a natural exfoliant and help in removing the dry skin cells. Ingredients: flax seeds 2 tablespoons, oats 2 tablespoons, 500 ml water. Procedure: put all the ingredients in a saucepan and once it starts to boil, let it simmer for 10 minutes on low heat. Stir continuously during simmer. When the mixture reaches gel-like consistency, remove from heat after 10 minutes and leave it to cool. Once cool, strain the gel with a strainer or more perfectly using a cheesecloth. Now add 3 capsules of vitamin E in the prepared gel. Mix thoroughly. You can refrigerate the mixture for a week. How to apply? Apply the mixture to the entire face and leave it to dry for 30 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water, then with cold water. Repeat the application of the skin tightening mixture daily for a week. At the end of the week, your skin will become tight and all the wrinkles will be eliminated. Your skin will be bright and glowing. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.